Like a summer song with a heartbeat sound. You keep dancing in my mind. Like a million perfect melodies with the sweetest harmonies. You're the echo I can't leave behind. My heart beats like a roller coaster ride, up and down, chasing every tide. And I wonder, how dreamy would I be if I could dance on clouds so free? Even when the sky comes falling down, even when the world turns upside down, I choose to feel. Dancing in the storm, barefoot in the rain, eyes closed and one, facing every fear with grace. Like a summer song still playing on. You live inside my favorite song, and I don't wanna wake. If this is a dream, let me stay. Not even the strongest remedy could ever change the way I see you and me. It's too real for fantasy. I follow every step to the rainbow's glow, and if they ask me where I go, I dance with the flow. With my feet on wet ground, and my heart like a rising sound. I dance to forget the pain, I dance to remember your name. Dancing in the storm, like the sky was made for me alone. You're the beat I call home. Like a summer song, still going strong. You echo in every tone, and even without the sun, I dance for